Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's gonna be a mess with this. I don't know why she even opened it this way. It's not supposed to be open this way. I'm not even allowed to even think it's gonna be open.
Look, I made a box. What's your name? L-E-X. X. Lex! That's how I started. Oh, it's Rihanna.
No, why y'all use the same one we just used? I told you that.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
Wasting cups.
Okay, what's next? Milk?
No, yeah, milk, but just make sure it's enough.
Dang.
Now we're gonna need a lot of milk because you see what happened last time. It got stuck and frozen, so you gotta make sure it's enough milk so it can be moved to turn around. So it's enough. Alright. Now take a cat full.
That.
You do that
Yes.
one now. I'll let you do the honey.
Honey. Amani, don't let it spill. Amani! What is that even?
Another shrimp.
I don't know.
Now stir it good.
Okay.
And put the cinnamon in.
Can
Oh,
I?
yeah. Where's the cinnamon? Oh, here.
Cinnamon. Okay, put the cinnamon.
My fault. Do all that stuff on top of this because y'all make a super mess. I don't got to clean it. Crazy. Sure. Look, I have to go crazy.
Okay. Good. Let's start. Good. You know we can put milk?
No, just put milk.
Huh?
You did.
Put milk.
No, I didn't see that.
True, get off of that. You just moving around in that dirt.
Yeah.
I've never been up this early before.
I did. Because I had to get up for school.
Oh, yeah.
I have to get up for school soon.
That other day. You said what?
I have to get up for school soon.
I'm about to be a coach at Amani College.
Tuesday.
You really?
Dang, Tuesday's
Might make
almost
Isaiah
here.
play.
Jesus.
Yep, starting college.
Shirley started crying. I'm like, what the heck?
Because I'm so happy. Yeah,
You watched it?
Aggravate me more. I watched it.
Girl.
For real.
Okay, I think it's all gonna come out easy now. Maybe. Might be.
Oh, you can watch TV here. Forgot.
Yeah, what are you giving it me for?
I thought you wanted to pour it in.
For what in?
Nothing.
Hold on. I'm gonna have you do eggs in a little bit.
Oh yes, I know how to make eggs.
I want eggs. Can we make pancakes and eggs and sauce it like the other day Sade made? Yes! Jesus Christ. Money, you know?
Hand me that. I'm gonna use this one for the eggs. Alright, come on.
Come on, people.
Come on, yeah. Come on, you guys.
Alright.
Eggies.
We're gonna do eggs.
I know how to crack eggs.
I don't.
No. Try it. Try it. Good. Now open it.
Wow. I don't even know how to do that, True.
Mama, open it. Put it in the garbage can. Come on.
You heard me?
Yeah.
Get it.
I know how to do that. I did that at your house, Monty.
Oh, I don't know how.
When you was sleeping, you got you like no. Cause you wanted to get done to the Monty try.
We already used 2. How many we gonna use?
I'm gonna use a lot, but
Yeah.
you
so
gotta use a
try
lot because there's a lot